The Mercedes-AMG CLA 45 has a beautifully simple recipe. Take a massive turbocharger, whack it onto a 2-litre 4-cylinder engine, and voila! Supercar bothering performance in a compact car. But as of right now, that era is officially dead.
Times are changing, AMG is changing, and the CLA 45 has changed. Gone is the 2-litre petrol engine from the A45, and in its place, lots of electrons.
This is our first look at the all-new, all-electric Mercedes-AMG CLA 45. It shares the same architecture as the Mercedes CLA, the one that Rory and I drove 500 miles from England to Scotland in, but it's taken that very safe, sensible platform and gone completely mad with it.
If it seems vaguely familiar, that's because it follows a similar formula to the internet-melting AMG GT 4-door. In this case, the CLA has 3 space-age electric motors, supercar acceleration, and a driving mode designed specifically to lie to your senses and make you believe you're still burning petrol.
Let's start with the numbers, because they sound like a typo. It produces a peak output of 680 horsepower. The current petrol version is 420, and the torque figures will really tear your face off. 1,759 Newton meters in a compact family car.
That, ladies and gentlemen, is more than triple the torque of the existing petrol-powered CLA 45S. It's significantly more than you get in a Ferrari F80. How? Well, instead of regular electric motors, they're using 3 axial flux motors, 1 on the front axle and 2 on the rear. Normal electric motors are shaped like large beer kegs. Axial flux motors are shaped like a small stack of pizzas. The front motor acts as a booster, engaging only when extra power is required. The 2 rear motors are just 8 centimeters wide. They're small, light, powerful, and allow independent torque vectoring to individual wheels.
The result? 0 to 62 in 3 seconds dead. 2.7 seconds if you're measuring your time using a 1-foot rollout. Top speed is 155 miles per hour, but 167 with the Dynamic Plus package. And because the front motor will only chime in when it needs to, it will do the thing that AMGs are famous for. Drift mode, anyone?
Let's talk about the looks. It's essentially a CLA, but clearly this car has fallen out of the AMG tree and hit every branch on the way down.
It has an AMG-specific front end with this elongated bonnet and power domes. Not sure why, because the axial flux motors are tiny, but this very cool shark nose design, which looks very mean. Has an AMG-specific radiator with these 10 Pan-Americana stripes, which can be illuminated depending on what package you get, along with the Mercedes star in the center. Then there's the front splitter, which merges into the side curtain in front of the wheels to help with aerodynamic efficiency.
At the side, it has wider front wings with flared wheel arches for an even more aggressive look, whilst also creating space for the wider front axle. As standard, the CLA 45 4MATIC Plus runs on 19-inch wheels, although you can also get 20s as an option. But the big news here with this car is that it doesn't just come in saloon body style, it's also available as an estate.
And here we have it, the 45 shooting brake, which is just perfect. You know, if you don't want to compromise practicality when you're hunting for your 680 horsepower mini super saloon. The back end is beefy. The standard CLA shooting brake 250 has rather nice proportions, and this is no different. I think this might be slightly more aggressive, rather like the AMG rear apron with the 6 fins. And on the standard CLA, this light bar is fully illuminated, but on the AMG it is not. But you do have the Mercedes star in the rear lights. It's rather nice. Do you think it's more or less controversial than the GT 4-door? Let me know in the comments.
As for boot space, the saloon offers the same as you would get in the CLA 250, a healthy 405 litres, while the shooting brake offers a little more, 455 litres, roughly enough for an extra carry-on case. If you want even more storage, they both have a pretty useful front trunk offering an extra 101 litres, but these cars might not be quite as practical as you might expect. More on that in a second.
Speaking of more, if you need a perfect family car with perfect performance and perfect practicality, then I know the perfect place. Just fire up the Autotrader website or the Autotrader app and bag yourself a deal. If you're on the hunt for some new wheels, then it might be time for Autotrader. So here we are inside the CLA, and what did you expect? Screens, right? Congratulations. This is a screen fest, just like every other Mercedes, but something that's very cool, it has the track pace applications, which means that you can measure your track times, sector times at any race circuit that you want to go to. It's very nifty. More useful perhaps are these seats, which are very cool. They are very supportive, they really hug you when you're going around corners, and they have all these nice AMG accents. Oh, the biggest thing about these seats is that they emit vibrations to increase your enjoyment. They're fitted with AMG Force S Plus, which are vibrations designed to mimic the combustion engine. So it's what you'd feel if the engine was actually on, and that works in conjunction with this.
Yep, just like the slightly controversial AMG GT 4-door, the CLA 45 makes its own noise, except here, it's not the sound of a V8.
I mean, I think the novelty would wear off pretty quickly. Yeah, I'm not mad about it, but Hyundai have a lot to answer for.
Also fitted as standard is the AMG Performance steering wheel in Napa leather with contrast stitching to match the seat upholstery, and AMG steering wheel controls.
One big detail. Remember I said that the CLA 45 might not be quite as practical as you thought? Yeah, well, the CLA 45 and the CLA 45 shooting brake will only have 4 seats. They are not ever going to have 5 seats, which is rather irritating if you have a family of 5, or if you have 3 mates who want to ride shotgun. But according to Mercedes, they wanted an uncompromising sporty character. That's pretty compromising to me.
Okay, so how about pricing and availability? Unconfirmed right now, but expect something in the region of £70,000 with deliveries happening in the first half of 2027.
So there we have it, the new Mercedes-AMG CLA 45, fully electric, fully rapid, and potentially fully controversial if the GT 4-door is anything to go by. But let us know what your thoughts are. Drop them in the comments. Would you buy one or not? And as always, like, subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. Ciao!